In this video, I want to talk about a simple and affordable dust collection system. At least a dust collection system for like one tool, maybe two. This is for my miter saw. So what I have, and what I have done in the past, is I've hooked up just my shop vac. And then I ran a hose from the shop vac to here, and then I actually grabbed this hose off of another vacuum I have. It just so happened to fit in the back here, and I got this switch, which makes this way better. So before, when I had this set up at my old house, I would turn the vacuum on, I would make a cut, and then I would turn the vacuum off. But with this switch right here, you plug in the vacuum on the top, and then you can also do like a light if you wanted to, or something like that, whatever works for you. And then on the bottom, it has two plugs here that you can plug in a miter saw, table saw, whatever you're using. And then what'll happen is when you turn the saw on or pull the trigger to the saw, it will automatically turn the vacuum on. And then when you release the trigger for the miter saw or turn the table saw off or whatever it is, this will continue to run the vacuum for 7 seconds to clear the hose and everything. Let me show you. So that's going to keep running. And then it'll shut off automatically. And if you don't want to do that, you just come over here. This has 3 settings. You can turn it to off, so you can use the miter saw or whatever saw without the vacuum, or you can turn it on. So the way I have it set up is with this hose, I can actually very easily take the hose out, and if I wanted to clean up, say, the fence, I just turn this on, clean that up, whatever I want, turn it off, plug it back in here, and I'm ready to go. So instead of spending hundreds or thousands on a designated dust collecting system, at least for me, I maybe cut a couple 2x4s or something on this. I don't like make furniture or anything like that. So if that's the case, you probably do want to invest in something like that because it is pretty important. But for me, this is going to work. So hopefully this gives you an idea if you do similar stuff to me, and if you're looking for a solution for your dust collection. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the description to this switch, and I'll see you on the next one.